Crazy, like, wait.
Alright.
I got it.
It's a giant onion. Look at how big that puppy is.
Fat onion, bro. Anybody else want to get a shot at this onion?
I think I'm more recording. You'd eat every piece of that thing.
Go, dude, go. Man, food.
First time me seeing someone like downing an onion like this. Eat it, chew.
You got to go, dude.
Better swallow something. You want to expect to get more than that.
Checking the skin off of that shit.
I would have made it cut it first and get it.
Get that ass. You're doing all this. They need to put this on the internet, the onion challenge. Dude, my buddy only got one bite into it and gave up. It was nuts.
Start chewing that in your mouth now.
Just peel it and just get to it. What the fuck do you think I'm doing?
Come on, hurry up.
I'm getting at it. It sucks. I don't have, like, I can't keep recording. I gotta keep pressing go. Yes. I only get 30 seconds every time. So,
Yeah, I shot here, buddy.
huh?
Start eating it again. Come on.